Ready to transform your website from a digital brochure into an interactive engagement hub that keeps visitors hooked? First, let's grab your unique Wati embed code from your Wati account dashboard, typically found under the Integration or Website Widget section. Copy this code, as you'll need it in a moment. Now, jump into your website's HTML, open the file for the specific page where you want the Wati chat widget to appear. Locate the closing tag, paste the Wati tracking code right before it. This ensures the widget loads correctly on your page. It's customization time. Head back to your Wati dashboard, explore options to modify the widget's color scheme to match your brand, change the call to action text, and even set up automated welcome messages to greet your visitors. Preview these changes within Wati to ensure they align with your site's aesthetic. Think beyond just answering questions. Use proactive messaging to offer assistance, discounts, or guide users through complex processes. Monitor real-time chats through the Wati dashboard to identify common pain points and refine your website content or customer service strategies. And that's it. With Wati integrated, you'll be engaging visitors, providing instant support, and ultimately, boosting your website's effectiveness. Go connect with your customers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.